Hello, everyone. I really hope you're doing well and you're completely safe from COVID-19. We're going to study innovation and design thinking again this year. Uh, we will be, in the first 2 weeks, we'll be reviewing some main concepts, some general ideas, some important ideas that we did cover last year. And this chapter and this session, we actually will be reviewing main concepts. Before we get started, I'm going to talk about the course philosophy. So in this course, we have to learn by doing. We have to try our idea. We should always try to implement our idea. Working together, teamwork is very important. Embrace ambiguity and have some fun, have a lot of fun actually. And of course, we need to respect academic integrity by citing anything we copy from the internet or from anyone else. In this session, we will be talking about the difference between entrepreneurship and innovation. We will be talking about the difference between innovative work and routine work, and we will check where do ideas come from. So, starting with an entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is basically starting a new business, launching a new business. However, it's not same as any business. It differs from the way we act, from the way we do things, and from the way the business is. So if we're actually looking for only making a profit, then we're not an entrepreneur. Entrepreneurship is not only about making profit. Later on, we will be thinking about the profit. We will be having a big reward, but at the beginning, it's not only about profit. It's not about doing routine things, routine work. It's about doing different things that no one have done before. So it is, I'm quoting, it seems imaginable with much less than seems possible. So it's doing creative things, new things, exploring new idea, taking risk, a lot of risks, different kind of risks. And it's not same as any business, as I mentioned. Speaking of innovation, so innovation basically is about ideas. So how we can make ideas happen, we need to make them happen by by implementing these ideas. So if we only have idea without implementing it, it will mean nothing. So we need to think of creative idea, of new idea, original. We need to think of new ideas, original ideas, or improve recent ideas to have innovation. So if we look in this example, we have a man that need to cross from one side to another. In the first picture, this guy only thought about the idea without implementing it, means he didn't reach anywhere. In the other picture, we see that this man thought about a bridge, a wooden bridge from one side to another, and he did cross the problem that he had, and he reached the other place. So basically, we need to implement, we need to try the ideas, even if they don't work, even if they don't work out. If any idea we thought about didn't work out, means we need to improve this idea. We should not ignore the idea. So innovation in general, it's not only about ideas, it's about making ideas happen. And one very important thing about innovation, it's finding what people need and not what people want. So the example of Apple, people want colorful apple, but they need an actual and real apple. Innovative work versus routine work. Routine work basically is something that everyone done in a routine way. It reduces the failure of possibility. It does not take any risks. However, on the other hand, innovative work done with increased variance and failure is expected. Why? Because in innovative work, we take risks. Okay? When we take risk, we have to expect the possibility of failure, but we should not like give up if we had any failure. We need to learn from our mistakes and improve our ideas. So innovative work, and the difference between innovative work and routine work. So exploiting old ways or organizing for routine work, uh, drive out of variance, see old things in an old way, replicate the past, make money now. So in routine work, we are thinking of only making like routine money, basic profit, duplicate the past, keeping things old. However, on the other hand, innovative work will be improving all things in a new way, break the past and make money. The profit will come up later. It will not be like right away. Now, where do ideas come from? If we want to think actually about ideas, they come from everywhere. There is no specific time, specific place, or specific thing that will bring new ideas. In this diagram, tells us the challenges brings a new idea, disruptions brings a new idea, gaps, application, technology, any application in the phone that we're using can give us a new idea. Trends and changing an attribute can give us a new idea. And every idea is a new opportunity, to create something new, to create something innovative. In the business world, it's a bit different. Ideas come from geographic transfer. For example, going from one branch to another. If we're talking about, like, for example, McDonald's, working from one branch, transferring to another one, can give us an opportunity to have new ideas. Previous employment, for example, in school, if I'm a new teacher, I will have to talk to like teachers that were in the last year. Hobbies, social encounters. Social encounters is very important, social engagement. Everyday observation, meditation, for example, can give us new ideas. Experience, daydreams can give us new ideas. Customer requests. We have, for example, in some website surveys, some websites ask us to fill surveys. These surveys are used to generate new ideas based on the customer request. Deliberate search and necessity. Necessity, mother of invention. We will talk about it later on in idea generation. So this is an example of WD-40. WD-40 was named WD-40 because we had 39 failed versions before. So this company tried the 39 different version, failing version, to finally create the 40th one that made like a huge sale in the world, and it is now very famous, creating. So now this product this product is commercially successful. The company has shifted the routine work, and it is very important the product to be same every time someone uses. So variance is discouraged. This is basically what this lecture is about. We will be checking what do you think about entrepreneur and innovation in the last session? What do you think about innovation work and routine work? And also we will check where do you guys come up with the new ideas? How do you come up with the new ideas? And we will be working on implementing these ideas later on. Stay safe, everyone, and see you soon. Goodbye.